Hi, my name's Abby, this is my dad, and this is my sister Rebecca. On today's episode of Cooking with Abby, we're making pumpkin cookies?
Pumpkin oat healthy cookies. They've got cranberries, they've got chocolate chips, they've got maple syrup. No, there's no maple syrup in these. They're pretty healthy.
Okay, we didn't use whole wheat flour though. If
Could have used whole wheat flour.
We
We could have
flour,
dialed
they'd be
back.
better.
But we made these with pumpkin puree, which you can watch us make here about 10 years ago. And it's part of our
10 years ago.
updated pumpkin series. Well, not really updated. We're just adding some more pumpkin stuff because y'all love the pumpkin stuff. These look and smell delicious. We haven't eaten them yet. We're dying to eat them. We really want to hurry up.
We've tried the batter, but like...
Smell really good. Speaking of batter and all that, where can people find the ingredients for today, Abby?
Here or at cookingwithabby.com.
And without further ado, Rebecca, I think we should get started, don't you?
We
Because I really want to eat these cookies. As always, we have 2 tasks, so what did we do? We divided them. I guess if we had 3 tasks, what would I do? Oh, I would do it. Right.
Or we get the dog to do it.
Who's our official egg cracker? It's been a while, I feel like.
Yeah, I have to
Crack away.
I don't get showing.
I just noticed I didn't button the right button here. Now it's going to bug me for the rest of the day. And then Abby, I'm just watching over here. Make sure you don't get any shell in there. Get some
Can I
salmonella,
just
all of you.
pour it all in?
I would start, hold on 1 second here. Crack up that egg and then we'll talk.
Whisk it up.
Yeah, but you make a lot of noise doing that. So try do it quietly. Then you,
What are you doing?
I would put the oats, the flour in. I would put the spices in. Here, I'm gonna help because otherwise
Okay.
this is gonna take days because you're slow.
Oh, I got flour on me.
Our homemade pumpkin spice, which you can find over here. Or cranberries, not raisins, cranberries. Although raisins would work just fine.
Well, I like cranberries better.
And our bowl was a little damp, can't you tell?
I cleaned
And
it.
then boom. So Abby's gonna mix that in, even though I didn't give her the spatula.
You didn't give me my spatula.
There's a spatula for you.
This is the spatula I like because it's dented.
Yes, this is what we were talking about when we were making our yummy
Fudge.
vegan fudge. Key thing here, don't overmix the two. Rebecca, you're solid there. Go ahead, put your vanilla in.
Mix it.
What?
Do I
Yeah, or you can also add your pumpkin puree, which we made from our pumpkin that we took the seeds out of. What I wanted to share is that, and I'm pretty sure I mentioned this last time as well, but I almost forgot this time. When you make pumpkin puree, it makes quite a bit of, like, I think ours was 16.2, not to be too precise, but 16.2 pound pumpkin.
We weighed it.
I was gonna say turkey, but that would be good too. Anywho, we're having turkey for dinner because it's Canadian Thanksgiving. Yay!
Actually,
You keep mixing that. That's true, it's tomorrow.
But traditions do it tonight.
Okay,
In
you
our
stop
family.
spinning for a second. You stop spinning for a second. Pumpkin puree. What I did was I took a half-cup measure because many of the recipes, including this one and the other one, the fudge, call for half cups. Took half cups, froze them in little bowls, not unlike this, in the freezer, then took them out of the little bowls, put them in a bag. Because you're gonna make a lot of puree with a 16-pound pumpkin, right? In theory, you're making close to 16 pounds. So you're not probably gonna use 16 pounds, but it'll last in the freezer for quite some time. So it's a a good little pro tip there. We're gonna keep mixing this. We got our spatula out here. Spatula, yeah, you get
You
it all.
didn't scrape down the sides.
You gotta scrape down those sides, dude. You gotta get all that precious pumpkin.
Okay, my
puree.
well.
You've got a well going on. Can I put the two together?
Okay, can I mix them?
Well,
Like
so
you can pour
the
it
mixing
in.
here's the only important part about
You
this
can't
whole...
overmix.
Exactly. The whole important thing with this, other than getting all of your pumpkin puree, is not to overmix these two parts and pieces. As I look at this, you know what it reminds me of?
Cookies! Oatmeal cookies.
No.
Oatmeal. We should
It
add
reminds me that I
chocolate
really
chips.
want to make granola. All right, I think you're done. I'm gonna steal this from you.
Can I still mix?
No, I'm gonna mix it because I haven't done anything today. I feel kind of useless.
You're a producer.
Yeah, because
you edit
you're-
the video.
You know what this
Yeah.
is? This is foreshadowing for my
like a
my life
donut.
as a parent as my children get older. I become less and less useful. I'm over it.
It looks
So
like
how do we
a
fold
donut.
in? We fold in like this. smells so good, doesn't it? I
It
stole
smells
that
like
line.
it's in the oven.
I stole that line from Abby.
Smells like it's in the
I was a little worried there for a moment because it looked very, very dry. But I guess I just unpacked undiscovered, unpacked, unfound. I don't know what I did, people.
ASMR.
But I got some. You guys in your ASMR, man.
We don't even know what it stands for. We tried to Google it.
It stands for no good. So we're not going to overmix this, which I was on the verge of doing. We're going to clean up our mess here. We're going to start putting these on a cookie tray, but we'll be right back in prepared cookie sheet with some cooking spray, Pam. In this case, whatchamacallit?
Nana spray.
Haha, I distracted you and stole my favorite tool. So we're going to do these.
That's my ice cream scooper.
Listen. Put them
It
on.
doesn't smell good.
What are you talking about? It smells like... Oh, the Pam doesn't smell good.
It's coconut. You don't like coconut. That's why it doesn't smell good.
You're not even going to taste the coconut. It's flavorless. We're going to do these. We're going to make sure they stay ball-like. If you don't have one of these and you make cookies on a regular basis, I'll go buy one of these, people.
It's not a cookie
These are
scooper. It's an ice cream scooper.
Hey, I beg to differ. How many times have we scooped ice cream with this?
No, but that's what
How
it
many
is.
times have we scooped ice
I
cream?
actually did it once.
Never.
I've done it.
She lies. She lies.
You were out of town.
We're going to fill up this whole tray. We're going to put them in a 350-degree oven for how many minutes? Because you told me how precise it was.
It was 12 to 14.
12 to 14
Should
and
be
not
10 to
longer.
15.
10 to 15? That's a whole wide range.
Okay.
We're going to finish this up. We're going to be right back. Why don't we use parchment paper? Because we're out of my new favorite thing.
It's okay, Dad.
We'll have a funeral.
You're taking that one. I really don't care.
I want that one, actually.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, everybody is busy deciding which cookie they want.
It's the biggest
They
one.
smell amazing. We ended up cooking ours for the extended time period. All right, grab the cookies.
No, that one was mine.
That was totally hers. You wanted the
Fine.
middle one. My
I'll
goodness.
have this one. It's okay.
I will eat
The biggest one, though.
this one. I'm going to make some coffee, and I'm going to save that for the rest of the coffee. Oh my goodness, that's right. They're cranberries.
Really good with it.
I don't find the cranberry-ness. I was a little nervous. I was
The
thinking maybe
melted
raisin.
chocolate really tastes
Chocolate's
good.
amazing. Cookie is chewy and good with a little bit of crunch. Thoughts?
Make this again and again and
I think
again.
so. It's just a well-rounded cookie, and it's.
I double the batter.
No one saw that.
I double the batter, though.
What do you mean? Oh, you make twice as many, or you make the cookies twice as big?
I make twice as many.
No,
Twice
twice
as many
as
cookies?
big. So it'd be like this. Wow.
They're good. They're the right size. I think a couple of. I think one of these is enough as a snack. They're really, really good. You should make these today. Today. You know what we could do? If we could maybe what. I'm salivating thinking about finishing this cookie. Some of our pumpkin seeds on top would be kind of weird because really, not that pumpkin strong. Right? Like, I don't know that the pumpkin jumps out at me, nor the
Yeah.
pumpkin spice, because when we were making it,
Oh, the pumpkin.
Pumpkin spice.
No, I taste the pumpkin spice, just
I
not
don't.
the pure.
not the puree, not the pure. Thanks for watching, guys. We highly recommend that you go make these. They're
I'm gonna
delicious,
save this for later.
very quick to make. Not necessarily as quick and easy as the fudge, but still pretty quick and easy. As are all cookies, and they're so much better than the store-bought variety. I think we should stop buying cookies and just make them.
Make
Yeah.
mine.
These are better than
My amazing
store-bought.
cookies,
Hope
which we're
so.
going to do on Cooking with
Thanks
Abby.
for watching. Go ahead if you're watching us on YouTube. Subscribe.
Hit the thumbs up.
The thumbs up.
And the
And
notification.
notification.
Post notification.
And if you're watching us on Facebook,
Instagram.
follow us
Follow
on
us.
Facebook and then on Instagram.
But still subscribe on YouTube.
And
And
share them
always.
with your friend because it will really help us.
Sharing with your friends is the most important thing. If you do nothing else, share this with a friend. Be like that loving, caring person. Go, hey, you should make these cookies. These are amazing. CookingWithAbbey.com. Bye, everybody.
Bye. See you next time.
Ah, blah, 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 blah.
In a time warp.
Really? Go. Turn off the camera.